Welcome back to the Mexican food channel. Today we're making a simple but delicious recipe. We're making a torta de jamon. Let's get started. For the bread, we're gonna use a bolillo. Go ahead and melt some butter and we're gonna brush it on top of the bolillo. We're gonna stick this into the toaster so they could be nice and warm. Meanwhile, go ahead and slice your tomato. We're also gonna add some avocado. Go ahead and peel it like this. We're gonna use a spoon to take it out. And slice it up like this. You can go ahead and use mozzarella cheese if you like, but we're gonna use Queso Asadero. Slice it up like this. If you can't slice it up, this works too. Alright, the buns are ready. Look at how nice and golden they look. Go ahead and slice it open. And we're gonna add some mayo to this. Now we're gonna use some lettuce. Let's cut it up. Add it to the bun. Take 3 slices of your favorite ham and add it on top. Add your cheese over the ham. I forgot to record me adding the avocado, but go ahead and add it in there. And go ahead and add the tomatoes too. Add a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper for taste. And it's taste test time! Although it's simple, it's really good. It's pretty big, so I'm gonna cut it in half. Y pa' dentro. That is so good. Well, that's it, guys.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!